Last year, we were over in the portable building next to the middle school.
And this year, during the summer, we moved to the high school robotics.
Welcome to Vicksburg. We are the control freaks, and this is our robotics lab.
This is a saw where we cut metal pieces like these to make them smaller for reasons. This is a protective shield for our eyes for this, because a plasma cutter, if you stare at it while it's running, it can seriously damage your eyes.
Up here, we have a bunch of bins with all different sizes of screws. And if you don't know what size of screw is, we have this 3D printed screw sorter. Cabinets, we have many different drill bits for any size hole we may need, and they're all sorted by size.
This is one of the parts of our chassis that will eventually get put onto our robot. Each individual piece of our chassis is modular.
Vocabulary time!
Our vocabulary today is modular. Modular means easy to disassemble or reassemble if needed. Next up is our bin of misfit toys.
Don't you mean adhesives? It says adhesives.
Number one problem, why does our bin say adhesives? This used to be used for all of our tapes, glues, and other fasteners. Now we've turned it into our bin of misfit toys. It's a brand new motor mount that we have created. The reason why it did not make it onto our robot chassis is because this little slit right here got in the way a little too much. And then also this bottom plate here also created a couple of problems for us. The next room we will be entering is the CAD and programming room. Over here is where we use to program our robots. Over here is where we would use to design CAD up models of our robot. We also use a little shelf over here as museum pieces of past robots that we have really liked and that we have enjoyed as well throughout our season.
This is our practice field where we can test our robot, and the programmers use it most importantly to get measurements and test how far the robot needs to shoot to make it into the goal.
So on these 3D printers, where we 3D print handouts, which we hand out during the competitions, and sometimes we 3D print pieces for the robot itself. And the high school uses them to 3D print things that they work on during class.
Quiz time. What is this item? Write your answers in the comments below and we'll tell you in the next video.
This is a plasma cutter for it cuts using water.
Now we've turned it into our bin of misfit toys.
It's basically a garbage can.
Let me talk, Logan.
So basically, this is a protective shield thing that Connor.
It was too curvy, and we weren't able to get enough power out of it.